How to activate two-factor authentication on Shopee. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate two-factor authentication on Shopee. For this, launch open the Shopee app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, two-factor authentication verification methods serve as an added layer of security to protect your Shopee account from unauthorized actions. You have different types of verification methods such as face verification, QR code, authentication link, one-time password, Shopee Pay PIN, or fingerprint verification. Depending on your account, you're going to get different two-factor authentication verification method. So you want to tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Once you're here, find the My Account section, which is at the top. Now tap on Account and Security option. Over here, you have different options. You want to find the two-factor authentication method over here. As you can see, there is the method that says fingerprint authentication. Now, to activate the fingerprint verification, you have to ensure that your device has a fingerprint scanner and that you have registered your fingerprint in the device's setting. You want to enable the fingerprint authentication toggle. Once it is enabled, you'll be granted instant access to your Shopee account, eliminating the need to enter a password and enhancing your account security. And in this way, you can easily activate the two-factor authentication on Shopee. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.